Has the Miami property market begun to lose its heat? Following a period of 2 years marked by robust growth, one might wonder if acquiring real estate in this area remains a wise choice. Stay tuned to discover more. Attracted by various factors, buyers, investors, and property sellers flock to this bustling Florida city. This surge of interest inevitably leads to the query: does investing in Miami's property market make for a savvy move? Moreover, is the current moment opportune for buying real estate in Miami? Both international and domestic investors in real estate quickly realize that Miami, Florida's most renowned metropolis, presents lucrative opportunities for astute entrepreneurs. Yet, merely placing money in Miami's real estate scene without a well-thought-out plan falls short. In the wake of the pandemic, it's crucial to interpret market trends and transform each vital sign into a tangible strategy. To actualize your vision, arming yourself with the latest, most potent tools and information is essential. Let's delve into several motivations behind opting to invest in Miami's real estate market, explore predictions for Miami's housing scene, and identify some of the prime neighborhoods for investment. Before we proceed, if you're finding this video helpful and want to stay ahead with more insights like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. This will keep you updated and informed about the latest in real estate investment. Now, let's continue our exploration. Miami Real Estate Market 2024 Predictions and Trends. The Miami, Florida real estate narrative aligns with national trends. Yet, following the Federal Reserve's decision to implement stricter housing policies nationwide, different U.S. markets may start to operate independently. The upcoming year's trajectory will be shaped by rising interest rates and a decrease in market activity. While it's premature to forecast Miami's future real estate landscape precisely, discerning current market trends is vital for potential investors. Here are some trends in Miami's real estate market expected to persist into 2024. Home prices in Miami set to increase. Data from Redfin indicates that Miami's average property price surged by 27.4% last year, a rise linked to the pandemic's influence on demand and supply. The same factors are likely to propel prices further in the next year. Despite a drop in demand due to rising mortgage rates and looming recession fears, Miami's 25.2 weeks of property supply falls short of satisfying the accumulated demand. Realtor.com suggests that home prices might climb an additional 2.0% by the end of 2024, driven by a housing shortage. An uptick in Miami foreclosures. Foreclosures in Miami are escalating. Previously, governmental aid and moratoriums halted foreclosure actions against defaulting homeowners. With these supports phasing out, homeowners must start meeting their payments. Consequently, Miami witnessed a significant increase in foreclosures in the third quarter of 2023, a trend likely to persist, especially with a recession increasing the number of late payments. Predicting the exact number of foreclosures in Miami's 2024 real estate market is challenging, but an increase is a reasonable expectation. Rental properties as prime investments. The dwindling profit margins from rising home prices make flipping less attractive to investors. However, these same dynamics make rental property investments more appealing. Rental rates in Miami have been climbing faster than home prices. Importantly, rental incomes are expected to keep pace with housing values. This trend in 2024 suggests that landlords stand to benefit as more individuals turn to renting. Given it's still early to determine Miami's real estate outlook for this year, we can concentrate on the discussed predictions for Miami's housing market in 2024. 5 reasons to invest in the Miami real estate market. As the Federal Reserve tightens its monetary policy by increasing interest rates, the pace of real estate transactions slows and market perceptions shift. Yet, within Miami's real estate sphere, distinct trends emerge, highlighting solid reasons for investment in the area. 1. Inventory dynamics. Recent government figures show Miami's housing market holds around 11,901 active listings with a 25.2-week supply. While this indicates more availability compared to many other markets, Miami's housing stock still falls short of fulfilling the existing demand. Even with a dip in mortgage applications due to climbing interest rates, the demand still outpaces the available supply. The inventory is expected to grow, but not quickly enough to rebalance the market. Furthermore, a significant downturn in the market seems unlikely in the near term as conditions improve. However, Miami might need additional time to recalibrate to its pre-pandemic state. 2. Investment trends. Before the pandemic, flipping houses was a prevalent strategy among Miami's real estate investors. But with escalating property prices, the profit margins for flipping have drastically shrunk, making this option less financially viable. This doesn't mean house flipping is entirely off the table in Miami. but economic indicators now lean towards long-term real estate strategies like rental properties, which have grown in profitability over the past couple of years. 3. Emerging hotspots. Beyond numbers and data, Miami's dynamic evolution is a key attraction. The city's diversity and opportunities continue to draw people. For those intrigued by such dynamics, various emerging and revitalized areas in Miami may catch your interest. Take Edgewater, for example, currently experiencing a revival after years of downturn. This resurgence is part of a broader trend seen across Miami and other Floridian cities, as they strive to reach pre-pandemic vibrancy. 4. Flourishing tourism. Miami's status as a tourism hotspot, famous for its sunny weather and beautiful beaches, adds to its allure. Coupled with its reputation as a fashion and film industry hub, this makes Miami an ideal location for property owners to tap into the thriving local and international tourist market. This ranges from vacation home rentals to new business ventures catering to tourists. Next, we'll delve into statistics related to the best neighborhoods for both long-term and short-term rentals in Miami's real estate market. 5. Homestead exemption. Another compelling reason to invest in Miami's real estate is the homestead exemption. This legal provision ensures that a Florida resident's primary residence is protected from creditors in most circumstances, offering significant asset protection. It also means that your primary residence cannot be seized or aligned for a documented judgment debt. Florida's homestead exemption stands as one of the strongest asset protection laws in the U.S., often attracting individuals to the state for its benefits in safeguarding their primary residence from creditors. 5 best neighborhoods in the Miami real estate market for long-term rental investment. For those considering long-term rental investments in Miami, Florida, here's an overview of the top 5 neighborhoods as of November 2023, ranked by their cash-on-cash return rates, based on the latest location report. 1. North Bayfront. Median property price, $776,492. Average price per square foot, $571. Days on market, 83. Monthly long-term rental income, $3,731. Cash-on-cash return for long-term rentals, 4.57%. Long-term rental capitalization rate, 4.64%. Price-to-rent ratio, 17. Walkability score, 74. 2. Southwest Coconut Grove. Median property price, $807,033. Average price per square foot, $465. Days on market, 85. Monthly long-term rental income, $3,858. Cash-on-cash return for long-term rentals, 4.19%. Long-term rental capitalization rate, 4.23%. Price-to-rent ratio, 17. Walkability score, 59. 3. Upper East Side. Median property price, $958,756. Average price per square foot, $580. Days on market, 112. Monthly long-term rental income, $4,442. Cash-on-cash return for long-term rentals, 3.99%. Long-term rental capitalization rate, 4.05%. Price-to-rent ratio, 18. Walkability score, 28. 4. Auburndale. Median property price, $654,941. Average price per square foot, $948. Days on market, 102. Monthly long-term rental income, $2,965. Cash-on-cash return for long-term rentals, 3.52%. Long-term rental capitalization rate, 3.56%. Price-to-rent ratio, 18. Walkability score, 70. 5. Shenandoah. Median property price, $993,470. Average price per square foot, $827. Days on market, 83. Monthly long-term rental income, $4,571. Cash-on-cash return for long-term rentals, 3.45%. Long-term rental capitalization rate, 3.47%. Price-to-rent ratio, 18. Walkability score, 68. 3 best neighborhoods in the Miami real estate market for short-term rental investment. Miami's various neighborhoods are renowned for their appealing environments and high quality of life. They have been experiencing a surge in employment growth and enhancements in public transportation. Plus, the perennially sunny Miami climate enhances their allure. For those interested in short-term rental investments in Miami, Florida, here's a snapshot of the top 3 neighborhoods as of November 2023. This ranking is based on cash-on-cash return rates and is detailed in the latest location report. 1. Southwest Coconut Grove. Median property price, $807,033. Average price per square foot, $465. Days on market, 85. Number of short-term rental listings, 532. Monthly short-term rental income, $4,086. Short-term rental cash-on-cash return, 3.69%. Short-term rental capitalization rate, 3.73%. Short-term rental daily rate, $192. Short-term rental occupancy rate, 43%. Walkability score, 59. 2. Overtown. Median property price, $670,308. Average price per square foot, $604. Days on market, 35. Number of short-term rental listings, 501. Monthly short-term rental income, $3,253. Short-term rental cash-on-cash return, 3.04%. Short-term rental capitalization rate, 3.08%. Short-term rental daily rate, $209. Short-term rental occupancy rate, 53%. Walkability score, 73. 3. Auburndale. Median property price, $654,941. Average price per square foot, $948. Days on market, 102. Number of short-term rental listings, 640. Monthly short-term rental income, $3,137. Short-term rental cash-on-cash return, 2.85%. Short-term rental capitalization rate, 2.88%. Short-term rental daily rate, $162. Short-term rental occupancy rate, 47%. Walkability score, 70. Over most of the previous 10 years, the Miami real estate sector has been firing on all cylinders. Remarkably, even amid a global pandemic, Miami's property market has maintained its attractiveness. Particularly for rental properties, several factors are aligning in their favor. In Miami's real estate arena, reduced borrowing costs, heightened demand, and a limited supply of properties indicate that strategies focusing on long-term holding are now as compelling as short-term approaches. Local investors may find that the pandemic has created a more favorable landscape for property owners. Thus, the Miami property market presents lucrative opportunities for both long-term and short-term rental ventures. The choice of which path to take depends on your personal investment strategy. As we conclude our exploration of the dynamic and promising world of Miami real estate, it's clear that whether you're leaning towards long-term holdings or seeking the agility of short-term rentals, Miami offers a diverse and robust market brimming with opportunities. But the journey doesn't end here. If you're intrigued by the potential of real estate investments beyond the vibrant beaches and sunny skies of Miami, why not broaden your horizon? Consider exploring the unique opportunities that the Illinois real estate market has to offer. With its own distinctive appeal and investment prospects, Illinois presents a different yet equally fascinating real estate landscape. So, if you're ready to dive deeper into the diverse world of property investment, take the next step. Click on the video displayed on your screen now to uncover what real estate opportunities await in Illinois, and continue expanding your investment knowledge and portfolio.